I'm from California and been here 2 years, so never even ran a chainsaw. We've cut a lot of pine, cedar, and oak. Mainly cedar. Now we haven't sold anything. It's all too valuable to us to sell. We've built 3 fishing piers out of it, and we're cutting planks out of the cedar, and we're gonna work on my Uncle Frank's office down at his car lot. We're gonna do the walls in it. I like the horsepower of the motor. I think it's probably nicer to have the bigger motor. Cuts a lot easier. We got the extension on it, so you can cut longer logs. We've got the axles and trailer assemblies, so that makes it easy to move around. It's very easy to use, and it's a nice mill. Do like doing it. Yeah, as long as my Uncle Frank has me out here doing it, I'll do it.
I'd just like to say that this mill has really a great asset to my family and to us. It's broadened our horizons. The machine operates beautifully. I would recommend it to anybody. Like you say, Danny has been with it from day one, and he cut his first tree with a chainsaw here less than 2 years ago. And he can mill you out about anything you want, and just like having money in the bank. If you got an imagination, this is the best machine that you can want. You can just picture what kind of a house you want, how you can put beams, fireplace mantles. It opens a whole new world in the way of, for me, for building a house or any other thing you want to build or create. And it sure beats going to the lumber company, I can tell you that. A person who can utilize this thing, I would say, buy one today and make money tomorrow.